Well, hey folks, how's it all going? Oh man, welcome back to Land of Grills. I tell you, into Land of Grills. Oh, there's a mod right there. But we're gonna do some leftovers today, and you know what? One of the greatest, neatest things for doing leftovers on. See that little Blackstone over there? We're gonna pull out the Blackstone and let's do some leftovers. You know, one of the things I like to show you is how projects hold up after a while. Now, this is one of the bucket gardens that I built. Tom Horseman at YouTube, you want to see how I did that? But you can see everything is coming along very, very nicely here. We just had a little rain shower go through here today. And my wife has got all sorts of stuff growing in there, some tomatoes and some zucchini and some other stuff. And then I've got some flowers mounted in there. And I'll tell you what, these things are really popular these days. And ours is doing just great. So I'll tell you what, let's go take a look at what we're gonna do for leftovers. Oh man, this is gonna be just as good as it was the first time I made it. I've got some beer brats here. My wife sealed these up and put a little bit of the beer juice and everything with the butter and some onions in there. And I've got the buns, which we're gonna toast. But this is gonna be absolutely delicious. Just as good as the first time around. All right, folks, there's the Blackstone. There's a modified Blackstone. This is the tailgater version. There were two of these. One had gas on one side for the griddle and then charcoal on the other side. This one's got gas on both sides. It's a gas grill and it's a gas griddle. And I put the wheels on, I did an extension over there, and then built this diamond plate cover for it. And I actually have some windscreens, all of that. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Let's get her fired up. All right, folks, I've got some leftover onions, some fresh onions. Well, they're left over, but I'm gonna just saute those up a little bit. And you see that's happening nice. We're gonna put that off to the side. And then, tell you what, let's get our brats on. All right, so we're gonna cover that. Our onions in there. And we're gonna just let that, like I said, these are already cooked, but we're gonna heat them up and they're gonna be delicious. All right, let's take a look. It's been about 2 minutes. Oh yeah. Nice color on them. Give them a little flip. Get our onions in there. Oh man. Cover back on. I'm going for about 2 minutes, then we're gonna put them on the side. Then we're gonna show you how we're gonna take day-old buns and make them like new. Folks, I'm just gonna take a little water. Makes a little steam. Put the cover on. Let that go for maybe 20 seconds to pull them off. All right, let's take a look at our buns. Oh man. Yeah, nice and browned up. Oh, that's gonna be perfect. Got 2 more to do, and I'll give you a look-see once we play them. All right, there they are with the onions. I put some of the fresh onions in there, and stadium sauce. I'll tell you what, secret stadium sauce. Brings back memories, folks, when we used to have baseball. Let's take I want this one in the middle right here. Just want to take a taste test here. Just as good as it was the day before. Taste the beer in there. Tom Horseman YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this, folks. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, folks, thanks for watching.